ka?
Sa ano, sa may,
Ha?
sa may
I'm here already.
Balintier, fried hokkien.
I'm here
Malapit
already.
lang din ang bilihan ng ano.
I cannot, help. No, you're shopping.
Food opera.
Wala pa, nag-aantay pa siya.
Food opera.
Food opera. Basement. Oh,
Fried hokkien.
okay me.
Mga busy pa sa...
Are you trying to take my order?
No.
What?
I want bubble tea.
Bubble tea. Okay, what flavor? What is the additive?
Bubble gum!
Bubble tea. Okay. Ha? Bubble tea with garlic? I don't have that one. Roger flavor, the bubble tea.
Okay, enough. Kasi